We have now learned the judge has declared a mistrial after multiple days of deliberations here. We've learned that the jury had been deadlocked. They've been sending multiple notes back to the judge. Now officially hearing it has been declared a mistrial. Do we have Miguel Marquez ready to roll?
Yeah,
yes, Miguel Marquez, go ahead.
Afternoon here in Baltimore. Incredibly tense afternoon here in Baltimore. The jury rang about 30 minutes ago, and then it took them forever, basically, it felt like. Mr. Porter, Officer Porter, his mother in the courtroom. The courtroom entirely packed with people, not only journalists, but people from around town, other lawyers coming in, clearly sensing. Marilyn Mosby, the state's attorney, was in court as well. The jury finally came into court after a lengthy bench conference with the judge, and then the judge said, I understand, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have been unable to reach a decision on any of the 4 charges against Officer Porter. He thanked them for their service and then dismissed them, holding everybody in court for a few minutes and then allowing them to go after he cleared the court and had a brief bench trial again with the lawyers. The big question now is where all this goes from here and how will this mistrial be viewed in Baltimore itself. Everybody in this city wanted to know what that verdict was in the days leading up to it. Everybody that I would see, that would see me, that would see other reporters in town asking, what's the verdict? What's the verdict? That's the only thing on their minds. This will be hard for people to understand. It will be back to square one, basically, not only for this trial, but for the process and for the people of Baltimore. I think great concern about what the reaction to this will be. I can tell you that many people I've spoken to in the neighborhood where Freddie Gray was arrested see the idea of a mistrial as a win for the defense. That means that Officer Porter gets to go free, that there is another process, and that all of this starts all over again.